Choosing the right university degree for you can be a difficult task. So in this video, I'm going to share some practical tools and strategies that you can use to make the best decision. So the first tool is called the VIA model. The VIA model looks at your values, interests, and abilities. So you can take a piece of paper or your computer and divide it in 3 columns. In each one, you are going to write your values. So what is important to you? What is important to you in your life? It could be family, love, friendship. Try to be as specific as possible. So what it is that you like and you value about friendship? Is it support? Is it sharing experiences? Then you can focus on your second column, which are the interests. What are your interests? Academic and non-academic interests. And then in the last one are your abilities. Probably it will be helpful if you look at your interests and see what kind of abilities you were able to develop from your interest. This exercise is going to be extremely helpful also in writing your personal statement. But for the choice of your university degree, it can be helpful to see if there is any trend or common themes within these 3 columns that might provide you some ideas on what is the right path or the general interest that you might have. Another practical exercise is to think of 5 goals. What are your 5 goals from now, to the next year, to the next 5 years, to the next 10 years? By knowing what are your goals and again basing also on your interests, your values and your abilities, you can find what is the path, what is the course that would allow you not only to exploit your abilities but also to reach your goals. So for example, if your goal is to start working at the age of 24, probably medicine is not the right course to do because it lasts way longer. Once you have done these first 2 practical exercises, think of the general faculties and areas that you can find at university. It could be engineering, it could be economics, it could be sanitary profession, medical profession, or it can be languages or tourism. And within that area, you can look for specific courses. For example, you can look in the tourism area, there can be a degree on events management or hospitality or hotel management. And there you can really find what specific course you would like to do, or you can keep it general, such as in business. You can study a general business or international business degree. And then during the year of your degree, you choose optional courses in the areas that interest you the most. Once you have chosen your course, you can start looking for the right university for you. If you need some advice on that, click on this video.